Okay, I have a question for you. How often do you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or just plain tired of feeling like your brain is running on fumes? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a simple trick that has been making waves on TikTok called the cortisol cocktail? Now, it's not about the kind that comes in a shaker with tiny umbrellas. It's about a drink that could potentially help you manage your stress and energy levels naturally. Imagine starting your day feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to take on whatever comes your way without feeling like you need a nap in the middle of the afternoon. That's the promise of this cortisol cocktail. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about cortisol, the star ingredient in this mix, even though it's not actually an ingredient. Cortisol is a hormone produced by your adrenal glands that plays a significant role in your body's response to stress. It's often referred to as your body's alarm system because it gets released when you perceive a threat or face a stressful situation. Think of cortisol as your personal superhero. When needed, it can be incredibly helpful. It boosts your energy levels so you can tackle challenging tasks and even helps regulate your metabolism and immune system. However, like many superheroes, cortisol can become problematic when it's overactive or dysregulated. In today's fast-paced world, many of us experience high levels of chronic stress from work deadlines, financial worries, relationship issues, and countless other stressors. This constant activation of the stress response system can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can have a range of negative effects on both physical and mental health. That's where the cortisol cocktail comes in. The idea behind this drink is to help bring down these high cortisol levels and support your body's natural balance, leading to reduced stress and increased energy. So let's get to the recipe and see what goes into this famous cortisol cocktail. The good news is it's incredibly simple and requires only 4 basic ingredients. First, you'll need coconut water. It's a popular choice for athletes and those looking to stay hydrated due to its natural electrolytes, and is believed to help replenish essential minerals lost through sweat. Electrolytes are crucial for maintaining fluid balance, supporting muscle function, and helping your body use nutrients effectively. In the context of the cortisol cocktail, coconut water's electrolyte content can aid in rehydrating the body, which is beneficial when managing stress. Next, we have lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage caused by stress hormones. Additionally, the citrus fruits like lemons contain diliminin, a compound that has been shown to have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Moving on to our third ingredient, sea salt. Sea salt is a good source of sodium and chloride, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and supporting hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for overall well-being and can help your body better manage stress. Lastly, we have optional ingredient magnesium powder, usually in the form of magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is known to play a role in regulating stress response and promoting relaxation. Believed to support the body's natural stress management system, potentially reducing feelings of tension and anxiety. Now let's see how it's all put together. In a glass, combine 1 cup of coconut water, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of high-quality sea salt, and if you want to add that extra boost, include 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate powder. Give it a stir, and that's your cortisol cocktail ready to sip.
What?
But remember, it's not just about the drink. It's about incorporating it into a lifestyle that supports your well-being. And here's the key: consistency. The idea is to make this a part of your daily routine, especially in the morning when cortisol levels are naturally higher. This can help set the tone for a more balanced day. Another important aspect is pairing this drink with other healthy habits. Think about it like this. You wouldn't expect a car to run smoothly with just 1 tank of premium gas. It needs regular maintenance and quality fuel. The same goes for your body and mind. So along with your coconut latte, focus on getting enough sleep, managing your caffeine intake, practicing mindfulness or meditation, and engaging in regular physical activity. These habits work synergistically with the cortisol cocktail to support your overall well-being. However, like any natural remedy, it's essential to keep a few things in mind. First, the cortisol cocktail is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. While it may help with stress management and energy levels, it's not a cure-all. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's vital to consult with a healthcare provider. Second, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work as well for another. It's about finding what suits you best. That might mean adjusting the recipe to your liking, or trying other complementary strategies. Third, the true essence of this cocktail lies in the whole approach. It's not just about the drink itself, but integrating it into a lifestyle that values balance, mindfulness, and well-being. Now let's talk about what you can expect when you give this cocktail a try. First and foremost, it's important to note that results can vary. Some people might notice immediate changes, while others might take a little longer to feel the benefits. Everyone's body reacts differently. With that said, many people report feeling a sense of calmness and relaxation after sipping on this drink. It's not a sudden drowsiness, but a gentle feeling of being grounded and focused. Additionally, the cortisol cocktail is believed to help support better sleep, which is essential for managing stress and restoring energy levels. Improved sleep can mean waking up feeling refreshed and better equipped to handle the day's challenges. Over time, many people also report an increase in their overall energy levels. It's not the kind of boost you get from caffeine, but a sustained, steady energy that helps you power through your day without the highs and lows associated with stimulants. But how do you know if it's working? Well, it's about paying attention to the small changes, both in how you feel and how you respond to situations. Do you find yourself feeling less reactive to stress? Are you better able to focus and make decisions? Can you sleep more soundly at night? These are all indicators that the cortisol cocktail and your supportive lifestyle changes are making a difference. Remember, it's not about a quick fix, but about nurturing your body and mind for long-term well-being. And to be honest, there are a few reasons why this simple drink has taken off on social media. First, it offers a natural and accessible approach to stress management. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with stressors, it's appealing to find ways to cope without relying solely on medication or therapy, which can be expensive or hard to access for some. Second, the cortisol cocktail fits perfectly into the wellness culture that has gained momentum in recent years. There's a growing interest in holistic health, mindfulness, and incorporating natural remedies into daily routines. This drink aligns with that trend, offering a simple and natural way to support well-being. Third, the drink's popularity likely stems from its promise of increased energy. Who doesn't want to feel more energized and focused throughout the day? In a society that often glorifies hustle culture, having a natural way to support energy levels is very appealing. Overall, the cortisol cocktail offers a refreshing and natural approach to managing stress and boosting energy levels. While it's not a miracle cure, it holds promise as a simple and effective strategy to incorporate into your well-being toolkit. As with any natural remedy, consistency and a holistic approach are key. So if you're seeking a gentle yet powerful way to support your stress management and energy levels, consider giving the cortisol cocktail a try. Your body will thank you for it. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried this drink? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Also, if you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that empowers you to live a healthier, more balanced life. Thanks for tuning in.